Birds do it.
Ito.
I have a pet. Bird park. Bird park village. There's a lot of birds over here. Bird zoo. Looks like pelican, but not pelican.
No, no, it's that one. That's a chicken. Yeah, they love chicken. Ah, you know, huh?
Ah, nine.
Yeah, okay. Isa rin ito. Mag-find the birds. Come on, mag-find the birds. What's in there? No fish? Come on, let's go over there. Maybe there's a lot of fish. Slowly lang, slowly.
Gigi, mahagbong ka.
Lara, Grio, wait. Na. Kapag yung Grio?
Look at here. Gray, look here.
Hello. Hello, bird.
What's the speed?
Let's check. Naman po'y baligya din hiya nga ko anday gao. Nga bird food. Aw ka ng fish food. Bansago ko na.
Yeah, sister, remember that?
Need ginahag chicken. Na.
Green, may daghan fish, Grio. Tilapia man eh.
Nak, imong hat.
Mama, what is a fish food? I know.
It's okay, maybe they're hungry, so just...
Okay, let's go to the other birds.
No, I just also looking.
No, again.
Why, what happened? You want also to change. I also don't have. Kanal?
Kanal.
Come on, let's go over there. Maybe we can find more birds. Come on, can you hold Papa?
Mama, bipot sa ibabaw. Eh, kanais man diri, anak. Oh,
Whoa, what is this?
it's a peacock. No, that one, the white one is not a peacock. Kana nasa tree.
Like Crowley, oh, like Crowley.
No. Wow.
Uy,
Lan, ay peacock, Gray.
May peacock. Tara, bird.
Look at ate, look at ate, look at ate.
Ayun, nagpapuan. Layo na.
Slowly, ha? Nag-find na siya of food.
You try to give atong fish food, wala na ka?
Ayaw lang.
Papa,
Do not give na instruction you do not give food.
Ah,
what did he eat?
fish na din.
Mama, what bird could we feed? Bird. What is it?
That's a peacock and something nga na English kas?
Slowly, slowly. Flamingo.
Hala!
Oh, flamingo ni. Scarlet ibis, ibis. Di man na flamingo ga, look at oh. Flamingo na nak. Scarlet ibis mo ginakasuwat.
Up slowly, Gregory.
It's a crane. A crane din na anak. Slowly lang.
Come on, let's go. Go there, come on.
Mama. Ah.
You will find what is that?
Northern red.
Hi, bird. Hello, bird.
Hi for you.
How about hide siguro? Hi, there. There. Below the plant, gigang.
Oo, gigang. Sige lang, next time na po.
Go, you still have. Come on, you can. Yeah, they eat. Yeah, they eat. Okay, finish. No more man. Okay. Return it to Mama, Gray. That one, give it back to Mama.
Tired.
Very long way to go, ate.
Oh, another bed. You have to guide them up.
Oh, go there. Go there. Gray, you hold the
Mama.
Oh, no more.
Papa, there's a bird on your head.
Really? Come on, Gray. Just say hi, sa bird. Yeah? You need to say hi. Paako.
Nabuslot na ka ba na imong salina ana sa una?
Okay, be careful at you have a bite ka, ate. One good ka. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Think. Ah? How are you, Ate? Ah? Oh, diarang. Yeah. You go down na kay mo tanaw pa ta dito sa ubos dali. Narabig ko andyan. Golaanan. Ano siya siya na lain?
Daghan ka iyo. May gabugats bag na to.
Ay mga kuno nga manok nga sa bantam. Alimukon man.
No.
No.
Because
What
there's so
they do?
You're not fast. Really? Mama, what's the sound?
Wabi ni sa book ninyo.
What's the sound of? What's going to us? Why is the Nemo going to us?
I-throw lang na.
哇，很大力！哇，很大力，我知道。下去。
Na, careful na.
I love you, Cat.
Mandutong.
Maglisod sila kauno og nasa ubos. Na.
Dito mo mukaon.
加油！
Naku, ano? You want to give Gray? Ayaw pa dool di anak.
Loves it. Slowly lang siya nag-eat.
It's so hot. That's why mag-hat ka. Anawag o. Great.
Great!
Liliyo.
Great! Great!
Kailangan mo pa may kompetensya.
Wapa.
Timing po dire o kay landong.
Sabi kailang dumba. Tayo niya. Hit ang buwan sa stick.
You have to climb. Climb, yeah, you hold the rope.
You hold the rope. Yeah, that's last. Yeah. Chayo, Gray. Chayo.
Hello. Yes, slide please.
No, Papa.
Boy, man papa. Wee!
Okay, now for our first performer is to welcome Ariel and Vision with parent. And our children to welcome them. Okay, what is it? There is something for Ariel. Wow, W E. Welcome for Ariel. Okay, next. One, two, three. Good. One more time. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Very good. Thank you very much. Nice. Thanks for everything. Okay, Coco, how are you feeling today? You feel good? Good, huh? Very good, Coco. Okay, last one. Coco, you want your happy expression from Hardy Coco when happy? What will you do here, Coco? And thank you so much to Coco.
Clap hands, guys.
Very good. Thank you so much, Coco. Yellow net and
Look at the peacock.
Look at it.
It's a peacock.
It's a bird. I don't know the name.
Chicken.
Wow, ka-nice niyo. Uy, na-timingan tagid ta. Let's go.
Say hi to chicken. Hi, bird.
Thank you. Nakita pa jud mi.
Come on, let's go.
Looks like ice na. Kita na ka sa peacock na?
That's a peacock.
Look, it's ice.
Ice daw.
Lay, there's the crow, Lay. Take a rest.
Why do you think the hot sun?
Maybe he liked to go sunbathing.
Not me to go?
No, it's not flamingo.
Oh, it's
No.
out. Hi, bird.
Hello. Thank you, bird.
Napod. Wala na kapay bird talaga. Kaon ng tiki.
Kaon. What did it eat?
Piki.
Tiki?
Gray. Bantayan ang poop, Gray. Oh, na poop sa ikaw. Birds.
Whoa, I did not see bird. It's in the bed. What's in the bed? The foot there.
Where are we? Nata sa?
Birds.
Nasa birds.
Zoo.
Bird zoo. Where are we, Gray? Okay, you check the map.
Here.
Aha.
Come on, let's go. You have the map.
Okay.
Dora, where we go, Dora?
No, not Dora. Dora is a girl.
Oh, Dora is a girl.
It's not Dora.
What's the name
I'm
of the boy?
Gray.
Oh, Gray, Gray.
Boots!
No, I'm
Oh,
Gray.
Gray, Gray. Ali, you show us the map. Dali.
Gray, Gray. Show. So that
You
we
check
can
the map.
go.
You check the map.
You check-
I'm a map. I'm a map. It's a map. It's a map. I'm a map.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Open
Go.
your map.
Okay, you check the map.
The map's too good.
Mm-hmm.
Where you going?
Where we going? Come on.
Aha.
Uh-huh.
The water?
Okay.
So, let's go.
Okay. Ooh, a ride. It's a garbage can.
Come here.
Mama, a golden goose. Noise.
Yeah.
Noise. Noise, Papa. Noise.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
Oh, walk properly.
Don't know it's a sound.
It's a peacock. Ate, your hat ha. Malimtan ang iyong hat ha.
Sigdagaan na yung map. Monkey.
Why you want to get it? Why the monkey want to get your phone? Let's go, Mama.
Nag-eat silag egg. Itlog. Itlog lagi no. Asa man silag itlog?
Kita siguro sa itlog niya. Kung may mga peacock, daghang mga langgam.
Wala, itlog sa kuan. Kadang nang...
Ah, they still the egg, ate, of the bird.
Careful, ate.
Why do you love stealing?
Look ang monkey.
From a peacock.
Mga baby monkey, ate. Oh.
Look ang monkey.
The tree that's up a tree, the baby monkey.
May paduding sa ng bird nga female.
Why the monkey loves magic things? Be careful of the monkeys. They're going to steal it.
Careful ha, matamakan ang tail.
I don't know why the monkeys love stealing.
Alright, nata. Here, nata. Here. Excuse me.
Good. Why the monkeys love splashing?
They want to play.